Today, worksheet 2. Worksheet 2, it is construction of a graph. How a graph is constructed. Here, in question number 1, following table gives the temperature at 12 noon on 7 successive days in Delhi, days in October, and temperature in degrees Celsius is given. It is to find graph of this information. Here, very important to understand two variables. Days doesn't depend on temperature, so days is independent variable, and so it is taken along horizontal axis, x-axis. Temperature depends on days, so temperature is dependent variable, so it is taken along vertical axis, y-axis. Now in graph, here it is given first day temperature 14, second day temperature 18, third day temperature 16, fourth day temperature 13, fifth day temperature 19, sixth day temperature 20, seventh day temperature 17. Their minimum temperature is 13. So we start from 0, we come to 13, temperature along vertical axis. We use kink, this symbol, continuity from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and we came to 13 here at this point. So we take kink. So here on y-axis 0, and then continuously it is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, so on. And on horizontal axis, days, first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth day, so on, along horizontal axis, x-axis. So here it is given, first day temperature is 14, day first, abscissa 1, ordinate 14, point is here, encircle it. In day 2, temperature is 18, abscissa 2, ordinate 18, point is here, encircle it. In third day, temperature is 16, abscissa 3, ordinate 16, point is here, encircle this. In fourth day, temperature is 13, abscissa 4, ordinate 13, this point is here, encircle it. In fifth day, temperature is 19, abscissa 5, ordinate 19, point is here. In sixth day, temperature is 20, abscissa 6, ordinate 20, point is here. In seventh day, temperature is 17, abscissa 7, ordinate 17, point is here. Now we join these points simultaneously. No, we join continuity, in continuity, one point to other to next. So With the help of ruler and compass, note by free hand, join this point to this point with the help of ruler and compass. Next, this point to this point with the help of ruler. This point to this point, join. This point to this point, join with the help of ruler and pencil, note, freehand. This point to this point, and last, this point to this point. This line shows the graph of 7 days of the temperature at 12 noon in Delhi in the month October. Thank you. Now all the problems of worksheet 2, all the problems of worksheet 2 based on this form. You can plot the graph using two axes, horizontal axis and vertical axis, taking horizontal axis as independent variable and vertical axis as dependent variable. Unit is here in bracket. Unit, days has no unit, so there is no bracket. But temperature has unit. Temperature in degree Celsius, unit is here. We use often kink to plot a graph. If interval is high, we use kink, and it is the homework to do practice of worksheet 2. Thank you.